Alright, so first up you need to open up Google Maps and just simply search it up just like that. And here, as you can see, so for what you need to do is just simply go ahead and press on your icon right over here, which has your initial in it and your name. Just go ahead and press on that, and right over here you'll see some options, but you just need to go ahead and press on the option of offline maps. Go ahead and press on that, and right over here you'll be able to see offline maps, and you just need to select your own map. And here, as you can see, I can just select a area of the map that I would like to download. Keep in mind, how much ever you do it bigger, it's just gonna go ahead and use that much megabytes. So but for now I'm just gonna use a small part just to show you how to download it. And right over here it says 45 megabytes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press on download. And here, as you can see, it's downloading. Now if you want to turn on notification if the map's finished, but you just don't want to do that, just press on thanks. And here, as you can see, it actually says the place's name, and that's famous for that place, but you can also edit it up, and you can just put whatever name you'd like to, just like like map 1, or maybe even the specific place or the country, whatever you'd like to put. You can even put emojis on it, but it's your choice. But I'm just gonna type in some random words, and yeah, I'm just gonna type in just like that. And here, as you can see, it's .112, and if I'm online, I can just access to it. And here, as you can see, I can update it and press on it, and I can check the map. And yeah, hope you find it useful. I'll see you soon.